We're doing the Holland 100 miles on a bike. But we get a pancake breakfast.
Can't beat that.
Can't beat a pancake breakfast. I think every Ironman should do a pancake breakfast.
I agree.
Like halfway through. That's a good suggestion, Ironman. Bacon Bob. We got our bracelets. We can get into our pancake breakfast now. It's kind of nice. You can start whenever you want to start. So when you forget water bottles, helmets, you're not really missing the start. There was 4 different distances you could do for the day. You could do 17 miles, 36 miles, and 67 miles, and 100 miles. You just follow the colored flags that coincides with the mileage that you're going. We went 100 miles, so we had to follow the yellow flags. Look at this guy. He's sponsored by Striders. Aren't you the employee of the month, the CEO, the CFO, and the
El Presidente.
El Presidente? I get video of you passing me. There you go. All right, first aid station. We gotta go left and come back to it in about, what, 20, 30 miles? This way. Where are they? They're way back there. Just chatting up a storm. Good thing we're not in a race. Good job, guys! Training for that full here in a couple weeks, aren't you?
3 weeks from tomorrow.
I'm gonna be handing you water at aid station 1 at night. Sandy Pines, great memories there. Johan Triathlon. Yep. That was a great little race, the triathlon. Parents had a place here for many, many years. Bridge for golf carts, right back there. So they can get to the other side of the trailers. Aid station coming up. Aid station, we're at mile 42 and a half. Fill up our water bottles, get some food. Yeah. Cool. Food. Fabulous. By jelly. These are really good. I'll just put those. All right, back on the road. Next stop, Pancakes. Halfway done.
I knew that was coming.
You knew that was coming? Halfway done. Let's go, Matt! Good job! I think Pancakes are ahead.
Oh, I like pancakes.
Yeah. You know, Pancakes make really good baseball players.
Like that.
They got the best batters. This is what I've been waiting for. This is the reason why you do the Holland 100.
Right. Make sure you get a good shot of the pancake and the sausages.
Don't encourage. Content, right?
It's all about content.
Doing this. Yes, thanks for coming.
What you need, sir? Grab one of these? You bet.
Coffee and iced coffee. Look at that.
Hungry, 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 hungry. Boy, where do we start? Hungry, hungry.
After a big breakfast, I just want to take a nap. I don't want to keep on biking. Oh, start my watch.
White goes right.
We go straight. Elizabeth, you should get married here. That's a cute, the chapel. Oh my goodness. Oh, woo, great. That's cool. Somebody. Oh, yeah, 68 miles in. Nice lake right there. Alright, we're coming up to the last aid station with food and water. There's one more with just water, and we are at mile 75. I don't feel very good getting on a bike after resting. 25 more miles. Let's do this! Big town of Douglas, right? Next stop, Saugatuck. Bob! Alright, last aid station. Just water. No food. Nice soccer and football field. Hey Bob. I like to watch soccer just for the kicks. 15, 16 more miles?
Yeah, something like that.
We can do that, Bob.
I think I'm gonna call quits. Turn around and go home.
Turn around and go home?
Yeah.
You only have 85 more miles to go back home. We got more food here. Watermelon, ooh, bananas, grapes, more peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Slap. I'm gonna so house this banana right now. That's what the young kids say. They say that I'm gonna house it. I think. Signs, signs, nowhere are signs. Guess we'll find our way ourselves. Might tack on an extra 20 miles. The Southerner, great restaurant back there. Great food in Saugatuck. Saugatuck Dune Rides. I did a pretty sweet video of us doing the Saugatuck Dune rides. I'll link right above. Saugatuck Dune rides. Super fun. Get in a little Jeep and ride in the dunes. We made it. Woohoo! 101 miles.